So, here's a new video for everybody. WWE SuperCard.
Yes,
Just
sir.
having a look through. Say again, Andy.
Yes, sir.
So, we're on a certain M's account first because she's old, but she loves me and she trusts me to go for her account. So, she wants me to claim everything. Oh, damn! She actually nearly has to. She has the pass done already. What the?
Damn. What the fuck?
Well, she does have a lot of free time, so
Well, I can't wait for the February calendar. See what are we? Oh fuck's sake! She got to take us.
yeah, she's literally crazy at the game. Damn it! She got full heroic.
Oh
What
my
the hell?
fucking god. End cut. Nah.
Oh, here. Anyway, enough chit chat. Let's start off with her first card
She got a
and get
collection done.
her.
Oh shit.
She does.
I still think I need like 4 more.
Good start, Xavier.
Eh, decent. Not the best.
I'll look it in for her.
Does she have the 100 pack? Check it.
I'll have to check that now. Actually, good shout, Andy.
Nope.
Oh, she's so close to.
Yep. She is.
Damn, she doesn't have much to open.
Oh, you saw the Rumble quest?
Let's see. Oh, she's so close on getting that done.
Yeah, no, the Rumble quest. The first one.
Oh, yeah, I need to check that actually. The fudge. Oh, that's actually a nice image of John Cena.
But you saw
I
what
can
you
actually
have to
see him.
do?
Acquire a Rumble Legacy card. The fudge.
Yeah, I know. Maybe they'll give some
Anyway,
away.
hopefully,
I
maybe
think
in the
in I
maybe in
think
the
in I think in the
news.
battle besting, which starts on
I suppose
Monday.
I'll let's get cracking on some RDBs.
Yep.
Oh,
Told you.
here we go. Who does Ems get
So,
for her first?
oh my fucking
Ooh,
god.
that's actually a good one.
Yeah, well, the image, but the
That's
card
actually
is
a
but the
pretty
but
clean.
the but the card is gonna be below ranked for in the rankings.
Collection
Go go
undercard.
wait go wait now. Oh fuck. Try last one again, maybe.
The last one.
Fuck's sake. Why is the screen glitching?
That's actually a clean Chris Sabin image. I will admit
Up.
that.
Same.
Oh, right
Wait,
off the board.
by the way, we're fucked.
Ooh,
I just seen the slam. You saw the slam thing I sent you, right?
I did.
Well,
And
yeah.
Andy looking straight.
Well, what? Yeah, I know. I
Oh,
see it. GG.
I did not expect to get one straight off the board.
Fair enough. Um. By the way, that thing I sent you, I read it again, and it's only US. For fuck's sake.
Oh, God's sakes.
Go for one now.
Go for one.
Yeah. Anything?
I'll tell you now.
And
Nothing.
I saw. Fuck. Well, we got a decent amount of them.
Thank you, Ems. Now onto your freebie. Oh, Jesus.
Go. Okay. Yeah. For fuck's sake. After them's account, we need to see what the fuck is going on.
I'm literally dusting all your legions. Sorry, Ems, in advance.
No, I mean check. You check DM when you can to see what I meant.
I'll check it after.
Well, yeah, after them's
Ah,
account. Oh
God
shit,
damn, Ems. Who would have
two? Yeah, and yeah, I know it. Two of them. Okay, try going 4 and 10.
4 and 10? Okay.
Let's see. Maybe we're getting something.
It's actually a 1 to 9.
Well, go for 9 then.
Oh, good shout, Andy.
And woo!
Ooh,
Let's go. That's a nice one.
that's a very sneaky one.
Finally one I'll take. Okay. Okay, that was nice. Oh, by the way, don't forget to get the freebie from the bot.
Oh, yeah, the freebie. Need to sort out our cards first.
Well, yeah, but that's why I'm reminding you so you don't forget anything.
Any cards that she wants me to. Oh,
You know? Really, they? Oh, wait, yeah, because you don't have enough. Yeah, fair enough.
yeah, you can edit that bit out. Yep,
Okay, now I go for the freebie.
draft board. 15 draft picks.
And now press on OK.
Oh, for God's
Okay,
sake.
okay, no. Okay. Does them. Go again.
That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep going until.
Let's see, maybe now. Yep.
Oh, here we go.
Oh,
Ooh,
nice. Mr. Finn Balor. We'll take that.
I'll take that any day of the week.
Bro, why didn't you why didn't you dust that Gable?
I just like to give that to Ems.
For fuck's sake.
Oh, yeah, and I forgot her level 31 back.
Well, I got
My bad.
you know who I got in the level card? In this one.
Go on.
Mr. Big Jim.
Ready?
Jimmy was yep.
So, we're back on a certain John's account, aka Jakey, as we all call him. You want me to get.
So what do we have here?
We're just give me 1 second. I'm going to go through my notes. Just need to get his ladder and his freebie. Okay, bet. Oh, crap.
What? First to go to yeah, that to the level one. Go get the level
Yeah,
pack.
level back. I'm still a noob at doing this.
Yeah, it doesn't glitch anymore. Let's go. We're so back. And nah,
That's actually an image
missed.
for carrying cross.
Yeah, I know. That's nice.
Very snazzy
By the way,
image.
check the charisma on Cross. You saw it, yeah?
The which one?
Charisma. He has like 6k charisma. You know how
Ye-
much Shinsuke got?
Yeah,
7k charisma on the base card.
that's-
Like 1k more. That's wild.
it's madness.
Okay, now go get
Right.
the. Wait, go check if you can get the. Yeah, get the freebie, but then go check if he. Oh,
Oh, right off the bat,
and.
it's.
Damn.
Oh,
Okay. Okay, that's good. That's
that's
a
actually a
nice.
good image.
That's a nice image. Okay, now go check if he collected the set.
It's Nation give me 2.0 account. Who is a bot loan. And he wants his 6 RTP and his freebie. So this should be good.
Let's see. What if we get Cody? You hear? Oh fuck.
Should I ask? Oh,
Oh,
never mind. Spoke
and
too soon. And it is. Ooh,
ooh, Michael. Let's go.
I can't believe she's actually Romanian though. Damn.
I know. God damn.
I would smash her.
Oh my fucking god. What? Wait, it's that motherfucker Luke Schroeder or whatever his name.
Yeah.
Oh my fucking god! You need to chill out and find Jesus.
You think?
Yeah,
God damn, Luke.
go find Jesus, man.
Go find G. You think? Okay.
Okay, okay. So it's
Let's see.
so the screen's better, by the way.
Oh, thank God. Anyway, let's get cracking on this video.
Yeah.
He has a collection done. Oh
Nope.
no, he actually doesn't.
One
Ooh.
more.
Okay. I suppose I'll get his ladder first, though.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay. Good, good. Very good. I swear, if
I
if
don't know.
if
He
he
won.
gets JI, oh shit, that's nice.
That's a very intriguing one.
Damn, I'll take that though.
Come on, Bulldozer. Oh,
Oh
I don't
fuck!
want to
Wait a second.
see.
Okay, go on.
Oh, that's actually not that bad. I was expecting it to be a lot more.
Fair enough.
Come on.
You know you can close that, right?
I can, but I'm too lazy.
Fair enough. Oh, by the way, I wanna show you something after the stream. I got a.
Yeah,
Remember the Christmas event we have with the Save Santa thing?
I do.
I got a chat thing on it, like something that customizes the messages on the team chat.
Ooh.
I'll show you after the stream, after the recording.
Oh,
Oh,
damn. Luke Carts.
right.
God damn,
Uh,
Luke.
yep.
Straight off the bat.
It and
It is. Ooh,
oh
that's
no,
actually not bad by the
oh,
image.
no, that's nice. I'll take that.
In a way, it looks like it's a goatee, though.
Go 9.
Yes.
I'm sorry. Look.
Nope. Ooh, Legion, though.
Uh, go second to last one, please. Oh fuck.
Nope. Budge.
Your turn now.
I'm going to go this one. Second last one as well.
Go
Ah,
3. Go 3. 3.
quick. Okay.
Please. Oh
Ooh.
shit!
There then.
GG, and it is. Wait, don't skip.
Ooh.
Don't.
Not bad, Kofi.
Ooh, that's nice.
I actually rate that.
Yeah, that's a nice one. You're
Oh,
welcome.
and freebie.
You're welcome, Luke.
Yeah.
I got him the second one.
Oh,
Oh,
and here's the freebie.
and
It is.
ooh,
Ooh.
again, Finn. Okay.
It's always Finn.
Yeah. Wait, no.
I'll take that though for. Oh, and he has a rarity pick as well.
Oh
God damn it.
shit. Oh, for fuck's sake. Yeah, I got to. I don't think I can get the third one.
Let's see what we get. Objective complete.
Well,
Good
well,
stuff.
well. You get the next one. I got the second one for him.
I all I'll say is best of luck to me.
Yeah, I know.
Actually went forward.
What?
I would have 6.
Uh,
Nope, it's not. But what?
what?
I have actually a few other things to actually get.
If this account was good, then give me a hell yeah.
Hell yeah! Right, King of the Ring.
I'll actually have gonna have a beer after the recording.
Oh, you made it to the championship. God damn it, Luke.
Oh fuck's sake! Look, imagine slacking and not even getting to the winning the final.
Ooh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna lock that in, even though he doesn't need it. Cinderella. He lost to a girl. God
Oh my
damn it.
fucking god. Well, no, it was not him because he didn't make it to the final. He made it to the championship.
True. It's not reset, but it is
Ah, mid.
an angel.
One.
What the hell? One and the last one. Got it. Why do I always get LA Knight?
Go, go three.
Go tweak. Okay. Oh, and he gets reset again.
And J. Oh
Oh,
fuck.
Fallon.
Uh,
Not bad one.
decent, I guess. Go nine. Next one.
I'll go nine next. Not reset, but it is
Try last one
money in
again.
the bill.
Fair enough. I had to try. Now you do
Go Andy
some.
Jordan. Oh, go away, Shayna. Gotta acknowledge our OTC though. Go away, Cody.
Go six.
Go six. Okay.
Fuck. Oh,
Ooh,
nice one.
Eddie image though. I was clicking for fun now, chat.
5, 6, 7. Next. Well, six now. I said six. Oh, never mind. I don't know. The one on the one on the top right.
Upright. Okay. Dongle lower.
Oh fuck.
20% chance of getting my reset, Andy.
Fuck. You know what? Wait a second because it's stuck. But I guess go on. Fuck. Go last one.
And
Now. Oh my fucking god. I don't know. There you go.
who is it? No
Woo!
Gacy.
I'll take that.
Ooh, that's actually not a bad image.
Go. Go 12 next.
Go 12 next.
Fuck.
Damn.
Last one.
Maurice though. So what number now, Andy?
You do this one. I'll do the next one.
He's always a lucky number for me. I don't know why.
Go 7. Fuck it. Fuck.
So
Sorry.
go away.
Well, you'll have another one though, or two of them from the dust, you know.
Hopefully, anyway. Lock
You
in those legions. I know they're not going to be needed, but
you do the next one because my ran luck out it seems.
oh, so close, but yet so far though.
Oh fuck. Do that back.
Right.
I don't know if it updated, but still. Oh,
Oh,
it
it
did.
is.
Oh fuck. Okay, I see.
And we
Please.
let's see.
Ooh,
Oh,
what a start. Oh fuck.
ah,
Maybe next one.
got trolled.
Oh my god,
Oh,
let's go.
that.
Don't show that to Pat.
I will.
Another one, maybe, please. Another
Please
one.
give me another one.
We don't need invasions. Come on. Rumble. We need to see the Rumble. Come. Oh shit.
Oh, fun.
Training. Training. Watch it be training.
Oh, back to back though. It's gonna be.
Oof,
Oh,
Nah, don't show that sprite. And now,
No,
now training,
I'm good.
right?
Oh, I'll take
Oh,
that
okay,
though.
that's nice. I'll take that. Another one?
Sure, I'll take that though.
Another one, please. I don't think so. Yeah. Oh my
Oh,
god. Okay.
could be
And
another train up.
yeah,
Could be a card. It is
yeah.
train up.
But
But I will
goddamn,
take that for a good start though.
live and rent it. That's a nice one.
That's a good friggin' pack.
You deserve it though. For all the saving. I didn't save shit. What
I'm gonna.
now? What do you have saved now?
I literally have nothing else saved up.
What?
I literally have nothing else.
Dang.
Bronson Reed.
Wait, so is it done?
Oh, yeah, a free pack as well, actually.
Oh yeah. Please, Rumble.
Please. Legion though.
Uh,
Oh, F1 Kyrie Sane though.
what is the last account though?
No, I haven't heard of Mr. 99, so
I mean, should we do the ending? Or should we wait for him?
I'm not gonna wait.
Well, then, whenever you want to end it, do the ending.
Let me know when you're ready.
Maybe wait. Okay, it's back. Go to the main menu. Oh, well, no. Go to your deck with the cards you got. So you end it with the cards. Okay.
So, it wasn't actually a bad run in with chat. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want.
Hey, Uzi, please hit my music and yeet.